Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: device OS, battery, and a backup. These prevent data loss. Once done, free storage and enable Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges. This speeds downloads. Next, open your App Store, search TikTok and tap Update or Install. If you see Open instead, you already have the latest build. You do these first steps to create a safe, fast path for the update, so the app can replace files cleanly, without corrupting preferences or interrupting download. You now manage the middle, trickier steps. When the update downloads, tap Update and watch the progress. Don't force close the store. If you sideload an APK, you must enable install permissions and pick a verified build to avoid malware. This protects your account. Once installed, open TikTok and let it finalize database migrations. This can take a minute. Finally, clear cache from the app settings to remove old temp files, which prevents crashes and ensures the new code runs smoothly. You finish by verifying everything works. Sign in, review sync settings, and check camera and mic permissions so recording functions correctly. Once done, preview a short upload to test posting and notifications. If you encounter problems, app crashes, login errors, or missing features, first force stop the app and reboot your device. That resolves many issues. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall, then restore your backup. Remember this troubleshooting order to avoid unnecessary data loss and to get back online fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.